We want to find the value of a, given that we have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 150. Then from here, let's have it to be solution. We have 5 to the power of a in common, so we can factor it out as 5 to the power of a. Then we open the bracket. This 5 to the power of a divided by this 5 to the power of a, we have 1, plus this 5 to the power of a divided by this again, we have here to be 1. We close the bracket, then everything equals 150. Then from here, guys, we have here to be 5 to the power of a. This will be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 equals 150. Then let divide through by 2. Then this and this will cancel. So we have here to be 5 to the power of a to be equals. Then 150 divided by 2 will be equals 75. So from here, we have 5 to the power of a. Then let's rewrite this as the product of two numbers as 25 multiplied by 3. Then we want to get the value of a. Let's introduce log to both sides. This implies that we have log 5 to the power of a equals log 25 multiplied by 3. Then remember that when you have log a multiplied by b, you always have this as log of a plus log of b. Then by applying it here, we are going to have this as, also note that when you have log a to the power of m, this power will come down to the base as m log a. We apply this ideology here, we apply this one here, and everything implies that we have a log 5 equals log of 25 plus log of 3. Then mind you that let's have 25 in base 5 as log of 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3, and everything equals a log 5. Remember that according to this ideology, this power will come down to the base here. So by applying it here, you're going to have here to be 2 log 5 plus log 3 equals a log 5. Then let's divide through by log 5. So this and this will cancel. Then we have our a to be equals. Let's distribute this log 5 for this and this. We have 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. This log 5 and log 5 here we cancel. We have our a to be equals 2 plus log of, now note, when you also have log a divided by log b, this equals as when you have log of a in base of b. Then definitely we have here to be equals 3 and in base 5. That is, we have log 3 in base 5. And this is the final answer for the value of x. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more maths tutorial videos. Then let's check. Let's go and verify whether this a equals 2 plus log of 3 in base 5 satisfy the problem given to us. Then let's plug everything here. So we have this as 5. Instead of a, we have it to be 2 plus log 3 in base 5 plus again 5 to the power of 2 plus log 3 in base 5. Then are they going to give us 150? Then we can have this when you have a to the power of m plus n. This equivalent to as a to the power of m dot a to the power of n. By applying it, let's wait. Since so far we have this to be common, we can have it as 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 plus log of 3 in base 5. Then is it going to give us 150? Then we can now apply this ideology here, equivalent to this here. Definitely we have 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2 dot 5 to the power of log of 3 in base 5. Then is it going to give us 150? 5 to the power of 2 is 25. 25 multiplied by 2 to give us 50. Then multiply by 5 to the power of log 3 in base 5. Then is it going to give us 150? Then let us recall from the law of logarithm, when you have a to the power of log b to the base of a, the output of this equivalent to b. Why? Because they have the same base as here and here. And according to the law of logarithm, the output will be this b. By just applying it here, we realize that we are going to have 50, then multiply by the same thing, this and this, we have here to be 3, which equivalent to 150. So from here, 5 times 0 will be 5, 5 times 3 will be 15, which equivalent to 150 equals 150. So a equals 2 plus log 3 in base 5 is correct. Bye-bye.